What? That's impossible. How are we gonna do that?
So how this works, we're gonna pick our slime ingredients blindfolded and fix our slime blindfolded. So the only thing we're allowed to see is our slime before we get our ingredients.
So before we get started, we're gonna smash that subscribe button, follow the crew, and you only have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did,
you get medicine. Medicine. You need medicine. You're sick. Anyways, remember we post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's get started. Mommy, give us our ugly slimes.
There you go, especially for you.
This is the cup. Wait, this is rubber.
It is.
Are you kidding me?
So you have to fix it and make it pretty.
Oh my goodness, it like has a sticky texture.
You are horrible at making slime.
Excuse me.
Horrible at making ugly slime.
No, she's perfect at making ugly slime. No offense.
That's so sad.
No offense, but
I thought I was good.
We have to fix this for you, okay? We're gonna fix this for you, so then we'll teach, and you have to go to slime store too. But then let's go get our ingredients.
Yeah. So now it's time to get my ingredients. So first we have to find the food coloring. I think it's, which one's this? Wait, so 1, 2. Oh, these are pigments. I'm gonna get this color. Tell me if this is a good color, guys. Okay, but now I want some shaving cream. This is the bottom. This is shaving cream, right? Right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh shoot, where's my food coloring? Oh, there it is. Okay. Now, where's the glitter? Food coloring. Oh, doesn't sound good. I'm gonna get these two. Okay, so I'm in the sprinkle drawer, I think, or it might be rice, I don't know. But I can feel the sprinkles, so yeah. But I don't know the color. So I'm just gonna look in this one. Feels like regular sprinkles. That's one of mine. And then, oh, it's a tiny bag. I think tiny bags are good. I'm gonna get that. And I want some more foam beads in my slime. Is this white? Yeah, I think it is. Where's the cup? Right here. Get a whole cup. And he's...
All right, move blindfold on. Let's do this. Come on, Maddie did this. I do know that the second drawer is where all the food coloring is. Okay, I want food coloring. Or should I get pigment? Well, what's the color of a slime again? I mean, when I feel stuff, I know it will match. I just know. That's how I like do with my clothes, you know? I'm pretty sure any one of these will just match my slime. I'm pretty sure this one is like a yellow and it'll match my slime. I'm gonna do this one. Now I'm good. Should I get food dye? No, I'm good. Now, let's go get some foam soap and some lotion to fix the texture. How am I gonna walk? The chair. No, let me go this way. I'm so scared.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm in here, and I know that this is a drawer, and right here is where all the lotion is and stuff. So I'm gonna get some lotion. And then I'm gonna get some foam soap. Oh, what is this? There's random junk in here. Yeah, this one's like foam soap, and can I let me get some decoration too? I forgot glitter! I need to go all the way back there. one. I know what matches. Now, where did my foam soap go? Yeehaw! I survived! That's all I got! So my son is Maddy's. Over! I'm ready. Are you recording me the whole time? No. Hello? I can hear someone breathing.
Girls, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
All right, I didn't mix my slime, so I'm gonna take out the foam balls.
I'm keeping the foam beads because I love a crunchy slime.
So do I.
So I'm not sure what to start with. The sprinkles, glitter, you know what? I'm gonna start with the shaving cream. Does this
I'm
have a
going
cap?
to put lotion and foam soap in my slime first.
Shake, 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 shake.
Mommy, mine is gonna smell extra good.
Ooh, I love that.
Mine's gonna be crunchy good.
Ooh, I like that too. Let's just see how pretty you guys make it too.
So I'm not sure how much I'm adding, but I think that's good for now. Ooh, that's a lot.
This is stuck.
Look at that.
This is stuck. A lotion.
What's that?
You can't.
Oh,
Don't help
because it's
her.
not open. It's new lotion. You got to figure out how to open it.
What?
Sorry, I can't help you. That would be cheating.
Oh yeah, would. Do you just want me to win? You can help. You can ask Mommy for help and I'll win. Is this almost done mixing in? Oh, this one.
We're not timed, right?
No, but if you guys take forever, I'm gonna time you.
Wait, what is this hard thing in my slime? Where'd I go?
Oh, Priscilla finally got it.
She did? Are you sure you're not helping her?
I'm not helping, I promise.
Dude, why does my slime feel so hard? Wait, what?
We drop in.
Did I just miss a piece of slime?
We drop in.
I think you did. I think you got extra slime.
I did.
We drop in! I'm doing really, really good.
Somehow my slime got bigger and harder.
And Priscilla somehow got smaller.
But Mommy said that I got extra slime.
Feels kind of big.
Ooh, this feels so fluffy.
You smell that, guys? It smells so good.
I wonder if this slime is like white or something. Hopefully it's light so that I can add my food coloring.
Where did my slime go? Well, my part that I took out. I swear I put it like right here.
Whose bowl is this? Is this yours? Take it from me.
I can't believe how big your slime got, Maddie.
Wait, where is my slime?
This is not make the slime bigger challenge, Maddie. It's make fix it and make
Yeah,
it
but I
pretty.
don't know how it got bigger. It must have been the shaving cream.
I'm trying. Where did my slime go that I took out?
Okay, but I'm gonna add my food coloring. I don't know, okay? Okay, I'm gonna add my food coloring. I wonder what color this is.
Mommy, do you know where my slime went with foam balls in it?
I sure do.
Where? I literally had it right here.
Why don't you ask your sister?
Maddie!
What?
Did you take my slime?
No, I have my own slime. Right here in front of me.
I really needed that.
I didn't
So
take
no.
it.
So now that I add my yellow pigment, 'cause I know it's yellow.
What?
I can sense it.
Okay, is she cheating? Brisa, I really think you're cheating.
Why would I cheat? That's a horrible thing.
I didn't laugh.
Brisa's cheating. Something is up.
I'm not cheating. I'm
No,
real.
Maddie, I promise you she's not cheating.
Wow. Stop! Don't touch me. You're. Stop! You're not.
Revenge.
I'll just sleep.
Okay, so I'm gonna add more of my yellow pigment. Oh, I can feel it. Dusty. Guys, the color's turning out so gray. I can perfectly see it.
What?
Oh, more makeup on Cookie.
Well, then stop cheating. Guys, I'm not sure if the color is good, but I'm just gonna add more and see what, or not see, but I don't know what's gonna happen.
See?
Hopefully it turns into a good color. I think I've like used the whole entire bottle of food coloring.
To be honest, I think you do a better job blindfolded with the slime, fixing the slime and making it pretty.
Wait, mine's pretty?
No. You don't know who I'm talking about. It could be you or Priscilla.
Me, obviously. I'm the queen.
What? Feels kind of weird.
These are my foam beads, right? Yeah, I feel like foam beads. Oh my gosh.
Time to add my glitter. Wait, this is tough. I don't know if it's open or not. I can feel my slime. It's coming out. It's coming out. I want to add a lot. All right, I think I'm done with my slime. Did I use everything? Pigment glitter. All right, Mommy, I'm done with my slime. Can I take my blindfold off now?
Not yet.
What?
Let's wait until Maddy is done. She's
Okay.
taking forever. I think I'm gonna have to time you.
No, I'm almost done. I just have to add my sprinkles and my glitter, I think. Right? Right?
I don't know.
But anyways, let's add my sprinkle first.
Do I have the glitter in here?
Okay, so this is a big bag. So I think it's good.
How do you know it's big?
Because I feel it. Feel.
Well, how can I feel when I can't see it? Huh?
Take off your blindfold. Who's touching me?
No one is. That means you can see.
No,
Oh my
somebody's
gosh.
touching the bag. I feel like going down the bag. There must have been me.
Wow.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, I love my slime.
Who are you talking to, me or Priscilla?
Talking to me. I love my slime. I love my slime. My slime feels so nice.
Oh my gosh, what did I do? Did I drop the...
My slime feels so nice.
Okay. Now? Dude, I felt that.
For what?
I felt something. Is there a ghost in here? Is this place haunted? Like, I feel your hand! Oh my gosh, she's cheating! Mommy, she's cheating!
No, I'm not.
Poor Maddie's losing her voice.
Let's add my other sprinkles. Okay, now I'm gonna find my glitter. Right here. Where is it? Where is my glitter, Priscilla?
I don't know. Wait, I do know.
Is this my glitter? Mommy, I need help. Oh, wait. I have two glitters. I think these are here.
Right there.
I already have my glitters.
Oh no, my slime disappears. Oh my gosh!
Cilla, get your hands off Maddie's slime.
Mommy, it's dripped.
So we have dripping foam beads. That's a new one.
Bella!
Maddie, just what? Want to be my slime?
Whoa, that kind of feels like mine.
What if it is yours and I accidentally stole it?
What? You are cheating, Mommy.
I'm not cheating!
Okay, I'm done.
Teacher Bar.
Okay, okay.
I'm so excited to see mine!
I want to take off my blindfold now.
Okay, you guys ready to take off your blindfold mask?
Yes, I want to.
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
What? My slime? What color is it before? It looks nice.
It does look nice.
It feels weird to see the light.
Hello, world. Oh my goodness. I actually kind of like the color. I wonder what it was.
Okay, so I do
Teal.
I like both of you guys' slime. So now it's time to test the texture. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Actually, let's go with Priscilla since she was first.
Yeah.
So this is my slime. I think the color was blue or something, or like black, and now it turned into a purple.
That's very pretty.
Wait.
I do like it. Can you give me a slime swirl, please?
Was my glitter not open? I don't see any. Wait, this is not yellow. It's pigment. It's pink pigment. Oh, is this my glitter?
Yep.
They're actually pretty good together. Okay.
Let me see that slime swirl.
Okie dokie.
Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Very pretty. Now time for testing. Ooh, I love it. Very stretchy, not sticky. Good poke. Good job,
Thank
Priscilla.
you. I used lotion
Very
and
good.
foam soap.
Very nice. Love it. Maddie, your slime looks like a rainbow caterpillar.
What? No, it's actually, it's just like Candyland.
Okay, so ready for me to test?
Yeah, but first let me do a swirl. Because I know you love this candy
Ooh,
swirl.
this is really satisfying and
This
looks
is-
really nice.
This is called a candy swirl.
I love it. Ooh, I love it. Now time for testing. Very nice swirl. Time for testing. Oops. It is kind of tough.
It's not tough. It didn't
It-
even rip, see?
It is tough.
It is tough. Let me do the poke. Yeah, Maddie. I mean, I love it. It looks pretty and everything, but I'm sorry, but Priscilla's texture and the pokiness is just better.
But this is crunchy slime, your favorite. And
Mine's
it's
crunchy too.
Candyland,
Mine's
your
crunchy too.
favorite.
I'm sorry,
Mine's
but I have to
pretty.
go with Priscilla on that one.
I won? I didn't even cheat. Oh my gosh! I'm so proud of myself.
You're getting so much better at fixing slime, Priscilla. I'm so
Yeah,
proud of you.
I just came back from vacation. I mean, I didn't forget anything. I don't even need to go to science school with Mrs.
She
Levine.
cheated!
No, she didn't.
No,
I was
I
here the
didn't.
whole
Her life
time.
is so weird.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please